Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the index SMA versus close indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the index SMA versus close indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 22 different strategies with a total of 5 different winners. We have also tested a total of 367 indicators with a total of 149 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you can take any one of those 149 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Alright, so today's indicator is the index SMA versus close indicator. And you can see it here on the bottom of the screen. And so this is an interesting indicator to say the least. So it has these upper and lower bands here. So similar to like the RSI or a few other indicators that we've tested where we have like an overbought, oversold type line designated. Now, playing around with this some, I believe how we're going to do this. This indicator seems to be maybe better suited for some kind of other market besides Forex. But looking at this, it seems like the best way to approach this is not to use the overbought and oversold, really. What we are looking at is actually the bottom line. And so what these lines here are, they're actually different smooth moving averages, or maybe simple moving averages. I'm not sure. These are different moving averages on a few different settings. I think it's 20, 50, and 200 maybe. I'm not sure. I don't remember off the top of my head. But really the one we're looking for is going to be the yellow line. And so let's do this. Let's go in and bump up the yellow line, turn off these other lines here, and turn off the upper plot. And so now we have something similar to like a zero line cross, except it's actually at the 100 point like 0, 0 marker. So the 100 mark here is the line in the sand. And what we're looking for is price action, or the yellow line to break below the 100 mark here, and then we will go short. When it breaks up above, we will go long. And so I think that's how we're going to test this. We might play around with this in other ways, but that's the basic idea of what we're looking for. So the yellow one is the fastest. I believe it's the 20 period moving average. Again, I'm not sure if it's simple or smooth off the top of my head. I'd have to dig into the code to actually see which one it is. But we get our first short signal right here. And unfortunately, we do not get to take profit. It was super close. Almost got us there. Over here on this side, we pick up a long right there. Looks like this one's going to get us to take profit. Yes, it does. Got us to take profit rather nicely. Then we pick up a short right here, and once again, it gets us to take profit. So far, we're doing pretty good. Let's go ahead and play this forward a little bit here. Pick up a long over here on this side. Looks like we got to take profit on this one. We did. Short over here on this side right there. That one's going to get us stopped out pretty quick. Then we pick up a long right there on that side. And a short right here on this side. Then a long, and then a short. One more long right there. Another short. Then finally a long over here on this side. And it looks like that one's going to get us to take profit. Yep. That one right there gets us to take profit. Then we pick up a short here on this side. That one gets us to take profit as well. Play this forward just a little bit here. So we pick up a long right there on that one. Looks like the yellow line stays above. Don't quite hit take profit up there though. It's close, but not quite. Then we pick up short right there. Definitely get to take profit on that one. That was a nice move downward right there. So, all right, what I'm going to do is go ahead and cut out some of the video here. That way things don't get too long, and we'll pick this up when we're closer to the end of the year. All right, we are at the end of the year now. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below once you sign up for that. It'll give you access to the Patreon only channel where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading, stuff about indicators and strategies, and general trading philosophy. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platforms. So if you use the MT platforms quite a bit, that would be a handy list for you to have. Our admins and members of the channel are posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis where they are putting up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly where they are entering, exiting, taking profit on trades. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. It's really, really wonderful stuff. Lastly, one last thing that I've been doing is I've put together an Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested, and so I'm passing that on to all of our patrons as well as the full list of winning indicators that show exactly which ones were winners, which ones were losers, and their win-loss ratio, and so on. That also has all that with the Excel sheet of the strategy, shows which ones are winners, which ones are losers, their win rates, and links to the video so that you can go back and review those strategies. So, all right, back to the indicator here. Let's see. So, right there, we'll crunch these in over here on this side. Something like that. All right, let's count these out. see what we get out of it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, and 42. So we have 42 total strategies or trades. Sorry, not strategies, signals. 42 total signals. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 12 winning trades. And so that's definitely not going to meet the 60% criteria. It's an interesting indicator. Not quite sure this is the best way to use it, but it was the first thing that popped out at me whenever I was kind of playing around with it and looking at it. And so we might circle back onto this one and try it a couple other ways, or at least one other way. We'll see, play around with it a little bit more. But for now, it's going to go on the no list, and we'll move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also, turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.